Prime Minister Hon Jeremiah Manele has called for stronger conservation and sustainable use of marine resources under the Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction Agreement, reaffirming the Solomon Islands' deep commitment to ocean protection. Sharon Anau reports.
Solomon Islands calls for robust conservation and sustainable use within areas of national jurisdiction under the Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction BBNJ agreement. Prime Minister Hon Jeremiah Manele made the call when delivering his statement at the United Nations General Assembly meeting in New York. He said as an ocean state, the lives of Solomon Islanders is linked to the ocean.
As a big ocean state, with 98% of our territory covered by ocean, the lives and livelihoods of our people are inextricably linked to the health and resilience of the marine environment. Solomon Islands is proud to stand among the 60 countries that have ratified the BBNJ agreement, and we look forward with great anticipation to its entry into force early next year. While the BBNJ agreement is a critical step forward for the stewardship of the world's oceans, it must be accompanied by robust conservation and sustainable use within areas of national jurisdiction.
Honorable Manele said the Solomon Islands co-hosted summit on SDG 14.4 with several UN and regional partners reflects the country's seriousness on the issue. He said the launch of the Melanesian Ocean Reserve Initiative at the United Nations Ocean Conference reflects their commitment to addressing the protection of the ocean.
We are also actively advancing community-based conservation initiatives and undertaking significant efforts in ocean management in alignment with our national ocean policy. This year, Solomon Islands co-hosted a summit on SDG 14.4 with several UN and regional partners. The event gathered Pacific leaders, fisheries organizations, the private sector, and scientists to assess global health of tuna stocks, climate impacts, and strengthen partnerships on small-scale fisheries. Its conclusions were presented at the third UN conference in Nice. Over half of the world's tuna is caught in Pacific waters, and all 4 species, albacore, yellowfin, bigeye, and skipjack, remain biologically healthy. Our region stands ready to collaborate with the international community and share our experience in fisheries management and restoring fishing zones to sustainable level based on science. This is proof that when we act together as stewards of the ocean.
For SIBC TV, I'm Sharon Nanau.